Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will be creating boho style wedding card. This is my inspiration for Bloomar Designs. Bloomar Design is manufacturer of chipboard elements. They have absolutely beautiful chipboards for your craft projects, card making, 3D shapes, and also MDF shapes. So my card is 11.5 by 17.5 centimeter. I will put the dimension below the video in the description box, also with the products I'm using. Apart the Bloomar Designs chipboards, I'm using Lemoncraft Tomorrow paper collection. It is one of the new Lemoncraft collections. It's super pretty. It has a lot of green, brown and beige, very nice colors. So my first layer is slightly smaller than the card base. It's like half centimeter smaller, and then the second layer is 1 centimeter smaller than the first one. The first one I'm attaching to the card using glue and tape, and the second one, for the second one I'm using chipboard pieces to create dimension between the layers. I have fussy cut the embroidery hoops from the paper collection. One is bigger and the other one is smaller. The smaller one has a longer decoration, and I'm going to adhere them one on top of the other and then have the chipboard element in the center of the hoop. I have chosen 3 elements. I'm not sure at that point which one I'm going to use. I have a wedding couple, heart, and Mr. and Mrs. saying. They all look really nicely in the hoop. Finally, I decided to go with the wedding couple and then create a floral composition on the left hand side on my card. I'm attaching both hoops using glue and chipboard elements, again to have that dimension between the layers. The card will be layered and very dimensional. You could do it flat, but if you are coming back to my channel, you know that I love layers, I love that dimension. Card like that will need to go in the box. Probably I don't think it will fit into the envelope. The flowers I'm using today are made out of fabric. I made them not long ago, and I recently really like to use the fabric flowers because they do not get squashed easily. So if you want to have them, you know, probably if I would mail them in the envelope, they would keep the shape. This is the huge advantage of the fabric flowers. Before adhering the couple to the hoop, I am going to add a little bit of fabric between those two, just to have that interesting texture on the card, only sticking out on the one side, because on the other side I will create the flower composition. I have bunch of leaves. Some are fussy cut from the paper collection and some are die cut. I used Lady Design cutting dies and sisal. I will list them below the video as well if you would like to see which set I used. I decided to decorate a bit more that the strings hanging off the embroidery hoop, so I'm going to add pieces of lace on top of that. I had the lace with like hanging pieces, so I'm cutting them off the lace and attaching to the to that decoration in different lengths to create like with the macrame, you know, those hanging elements. I think it looks really nice. I am very happy with that. You could add also a string, pearls could look really nice here, but I go with that lace. The sentiment I choose for the card basically says on your wedding day. It's in Polish, and one of the last elements I'm going to add are a few sequins. I have chosen a dark green sequins. You could add pearls or what else? Micro beads. Yes, and then I will add white splats to my card. This is a step which you can totally miss if you don't like that effect. I'm just going with the white acrylic paint mixed with water on the composition, adding tiny white splats of paint, and then this will be it for today. I love the card, really. It's totally my style and my colors. I hope you will like it too, and I hope that you will my video will inspire you to create something similar. I want to thank you very much for watching. Please visit the Bloomar Design Instagram page or Facebook page. You will find some lovely inspirations there. Thank you very much for today. Have a lovely creative day. Bye!